temperature of a copper penny is increased by 100 degrees, its diameter increases by 0.17%. The area of one of its surfaces increases by what? By B, 0.34%. So an annually ring of aluminum is cut from an aluminum sheet as shown. When this ring is heated, see the area of the hole expand the same percent as any area of the aluminum. Possible units for the coefficient of volume expansion are E, 1/degrees Celsius. The mercury column in an ordinary medical thermometer doubles in length when its temperature increases from 95 degrees to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Choose the correct statement. Is none of the above is true. None of the above is true. So the coefficient of linear expansion of ion is 1 times 10 to the power of -5 per degrees whatever Celsius. The surface area of an ion cube with an edge of 5,0 centimeter will increase by what amount if it's heated to 10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius? So 0,15. 15. The diagram shows 4 rectangular plates and the dimensions. All are made of the same materials. The temperature now increases. Of these plates, the vertical dimensions of plate 4 increases the most, and the area of plate 3 increases the most. Of vertical dimensions of plate 4, okay, and therefore the area of plate 3 increases the most. The coefficient of linear expansion of steel is 11 times 10 to the power of -6 per degrees Celsius. A steel ball has a volume of exactly 100 centimeter cubed at 0 degrees. When heated to 100 degrees, the volume becomes a 100,33 centimeter cubed. The coefficient of linear expansion of a certain steel is 0.00012 per degree Celsius. The coefficient of volume expression in centimeter cubed 1/degree Celsius is C, 3 times 0, which are 3 were multiplied by 0,00012. I don't know the answer, but I don't know where do they get the 3. It's probably 3 times A. Okay. Metal pipes used to carry water, sometimes best in the winter because what? Water expands when it freezes. Water expands when it freezes. A gram of distilled water at 4 degrees will decrease slightly in volume when heated to 6 degrees. Yeah, it will decrease your fast slightly when heated to 6 degrees. When you increase the temperature, it will decrease slightly. Then says D. Heat is energy transferred by virtue of a temperature difference. Energy transferred by virtue of a temperature difference. Heat has the same unit as work, umsebenzi, joules. A calorie is about 4,2 joules. The heat capacity is the amount of heat energy that raises its temperature by 1 degree. They do not specify whether it's specific unit mass by amount of heat energy that rises as temperature by 1 degrees. Number 41. Specific heat energy is the amount of heat energy per unit mass to raise the temperature of a substance by 1 degree. Two different samples have the same mass and temperature. Equal quantities of energy are absorbed by each as heat by each. The final temperature may be different because the samples have different heat capacities. The answer is heat capacities. The same heat Q enters 5 different substances as heat. Which substance has the greatest heat capacity? B. The temperature of 4 grams of substance increases by 4K. Is the one here 44. For constant volume processes, the heat capacity of a gas A is greater than the heat capacity of gas B. Conclude that they both absorb the same energy as heat at constant volume. So B, the temperature of B increases more than the temperature of A. B more than A. The heat capacity at constant volume and heat capacity as constant have different values because the system does not work at constant pressure but not at constant volume. It does work at constant pressure but not at constant volume.